Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I want to get into is discussing the upcoming Powerpuff Girls SBs, which I got the colorways right here. If I'm not gonna drop all of them, all right, that one's good. But yeah, you guys can see we got the Bubbles one, the Blossom one, and then the Buttercup one, which is the big green pair I got right here, size 13. So if anybody needs, just hit me up on my Instagram, and if anybody needs these two, I've still got these ones as well. I've been selling some other ones that I have on the way, so feel free to just hit me on my Instagram. I'll try and get some bigger sizes next week. But aside from that, we're just going to get into when you guys should buy these, because I do have a couple opinions on it. And again, if you're just not like really trying to get like stuff early, anything like that, then I'll kind of discuss the other route of how you should approach this if you're trying to buy some to hold, stuff like that. Just the little bit a little bit of a safer route per se, because there still is pairs on the way. So if you want more content like this, you can subscribe and like down below. You can check my Instagrams. Again, if you need any kicks, just give me a follow there. You can also check out my friend and I's group. You can see some of the retail kicks we've done recently, so feel free to check that out down below. Join that wait list if you want to win some retail kicks, cheaper shoes, for flipping, for your personal collection, whatever it may be. We make sure to get you right. So I hope you all will enjoy, and there's plenty of new people in the group, plenty of references on the site of showing people that can vouch for us. So don't miss out. See y'all there if you want some under market sneakers, everything else we offer. And let's discuss, when should you buy the Powerpuff Girls SB coming on the 15th? Which, that's one thing I want to discuss right off the bat. This is going to be loading up on sneakers, right, around what is rumored at the moment, right? Of course, I'm waiting for confirmation, because me personally, I feel like that's best to do before we can really discuss numbers, because nothing is really loaded up yet at the moment. But what is rumored for these pairs, right? I believe for these three, it's about 30,000 pairs each, around 30 to 35,000 pairs for each one on sneakers. That is what we'll be loading up, and it's going to be via draw. So it's going to be that 10-minute entry period, not going to be a first come first serve release. I wish it was, but they're going to be doing a draw for these and the Kobe's on the exact same day. That's my main issue. I'm like, how is sneakers going to handle two super hyped releases, easily the most hyped drops of December, on the same day, but also probably some of the most hyped drops you've had in the last couple months, and they're going to be doing two of them on the exact same day? I mean, I'm just saying, I feel like we're going to be seeing sneakers have some lags and people not being able to enter. I feel like we will see some of that, just because the draw is only going to be 10 minutes, but also you're going to have millions of counts trying to get in on two hyped releases at the same time. So it's like, they definitely could have coordinated that a bit better. But also, the main reason I think it will lag is because they're dropping 4 pairs, right? Just keep that in mind. It's the Kobe Reverse Grinch, it's the Bubbles pair, it's the Blossom pair, and they're dropping the Buttercup pair. So we're going to have 4 hyped pairs dropping at the same time on sneakers. I'm just hoping they can handle it, because it's a lot of stock dropping at once too. 200K in the Reverse Grinches, 30K each pair here. I mean, that's amongst 4 shoes. Like, I think it's about 320,000 pairs. I mean, they did 900K with the Gratitudes, but this is, again, spread out against 4 releases. So I'm just hoping they can handle it. It's a lot of draws to have going on at once, but we will see. I would love if they did, the Powerpuff Girl SBs via first come, first serve instead. Would be much better for manual users. If you don't believe me, trust me, it's easier for a manual user. Botters can't enter as many accounts when it's a short little time period. So hopefully that makes sense. But getting into discussing the prices on these, why don't we just go ahead. I'm going to go to StockX right now. Alias is also a really good marketplace at the moment for these if you have some pairs that you're just kind of, trying to flip or get off. But let me just kind of show you all this right now. So this is the prices for the Bubbles SB, as you guys can see. Now with these here, hold up. This is one of those shoes that people are thinking, you know what, most people are going to take L's, and these will actually end up rising in price. Now, I will say this, there is, a few skate shops, probably, I always try and guess, like, whenever there's a sneakers release, there's probably just as many pairs at skate shops, but they're probably spread out amongst all the different locations. So, and some shops only get like 10, 15 pairs. So it really can be very limited sometimes when it comes to these skate shop releases. And for some of these pairs, right, like this is going to be the most limited one. According to, the rumors at the moment, this is going to be the most limited pair. But also based off Sneakers EU stock, this is the most limited. And based off just skate shops in general, this is the one that they really haven't been posting a raffle as much for. But they've only been posting maybe because they've only have a couple pairs of them. So just keep that in mind. Pink one will be the most limited, but just for the Bubbles pair right now, market's between 360 to 400. Personally, I see this dropping another like probably 20, 30, 40 bucks at least with all the raffle pairs we're going to have on the way. There's still not that many, but there's still going to be some pairs, flooding through the back door, stuff like that, that are going to hit apps. So I do see these coming down to around 300, 320-ish.
but that is probably where I would see the bottom being. I don't see them going lower than this because this is still one of the most hyped SBs from this year. And once people take their L's, these are going to rise back up in price. So I easily see most of these return into $400 or turn into around $350 because keep in mind, most are above that price at the moment, right? So just understand that most are higher than $400 at the moment. But I see some of those sizes coming down in price. Maybe not the bigger sizes like 10.5 plus, but let me show y'all, for example, the Blossom pair. This is one where the prices are still very high because keep in mind, this is the most limited pair. So for example, with this one, right, people may take their L's on sneakers, and this one might actually only drop another 20-30 bucks because again, there has not been as many raffles for this one, and this is kind of the most limited one out of the set. So understanding that, I do see these ones actually kind of staying here almost, but they most likely will drop in price because again, whenever you have pairs on the way, they're going to hit apps, people are going to drop them. And again, if you go to most of the sizes, right, if you go to most of the sizes on this particular pair, it says like 10 left only, and you know, this isn't like a super limited SB, so I mean, we're still gonna, you know, see more pairs land to apps. And if I wanted to show y'all the Buttercup one as well, let me do that for you guys. Here are the current prices on that pair, and yeah, hit me up if anyone needs the 13. Y'all can see that's a really hard pair to grab and find, and that's why that's the main reason why I tried to secure it early. Oh, there we go. Hopefully that'll show again. But yeah, you guys can kind of see the prices right there. Smaller ones going for less, bigger sizes going for more. That's kind of one main thing I always try and mention with anything SB is just once you start getting to 12, 13, very limited, very hard. And also with some of the super small sizes, you know, they're way up there in price. But for the Buttercup pair, again, you all can see the prices are just between $370 to like $420. So the one that's actually going for the least at the moment is the Bubbles pair, but that would be because this one is the most stocked. Then it's this pair, and then the most limited is going to be the pink one at the moment. And we will have exact number confirmation very soon. We're going to have the exact stock numbers in HYPELABS also, so if you're a member there, you'll get to see the exact numbers for every single size, all that. But yeah, very excited for this release. Again, you got the unique details on every single pair. Y'all can hopefully see that there. Unique on the inside of the tongue tag right there, right here, and then also on this pair as well. So very cool. Yeah, y'all can see this pair is much larger than the other ones. Just a size 13 SB is not small. So yeah, this one also hits a lot different in hand. Super clean. Also with flash, these hit way different. So that's another super cool feature about these that, you know, you all can check out if you hit on a pair, you end up getting a pair, you can definitely look at them in the dark, put some flash on them, like if you're videoing them. It's super sick, and y'all probably see that on my YouTube in a day or two. But yeah, that's really what I can mention. If you want to know when to buy these, me personally, I think the best time to buy will be a day or two before release, because again, most people are going to take their L's on sneakers, and these will probably end up rising in price. So just keep that in mind. That's how it's been with a lot of recent SBs. So me personally, I'm just going to be looking for, you know, maybe a couple more day or two before, but I have a decent amount at the moment, so I don't really need like that many more. I will be looking for bigger sizes so I can try and get y'all right on Instagram for some of the people that will need them there. So y'all can always hit me if you're looking for a pair, because I will be trying to get some for you guys. And of course, if you're in HYPELABS, we're going to be having pairs under resale market price, so people are going to definitely going to be cooking that way, so don't miss out on that. If you're just not familiar with that, we're always dropping pairs like under resale market price or at retail price, so people can again flip those or keep them for the collection, just, you know, save some money. So that's really it. And again, that's when I would buy these SBs. So yeah, if you're curious about that, just let me know your thoughts. Which one's your favorite too? You a fan of the Blossom pair the most? You a fan of the Bubbles pair the most? Are you rocking with the, you know, Buttercup more or less? And don't forget to go check out, you know, kind of my full in-hand review I did the other day. I really dive into some of the details on these kind of up close more or less. So yeah, that's really all I need to say right there. Don't forget to check us out down below if you want to cook more sneakers with us. You can see some of the recent ones we've done. I've mentioned that, you know, pretty much a few times here towards the end. So again, if y'all want to check that, but I really want to show y'all some of the like crazy details we have here, like beautiful suede right there, as y'all can see around the sneaker. And right here we kind of got, you know, patent leather material kind of on the toe box, and then, you know, translucent sole. Same deal on this one, translucent sole. The eye on the back of every single one, the embroidered details go absolutely crazy. So I just wanted to show you all that. And yeah, don't miss out on this release. Make sure you're entering all the raffles. We've been pinging all of them down below. Don't forget to check my IG. That's not focusing, but don't forget, y'all can also subscribe and like if y'all want more content. So feel free to do that down below if you guys want to, and I will be getting more of these in, so feel free to hit me up below. But that's it. You know, I'm gonna chill for a bit, and I'm gonna edit this video. Got some homework to do. You know, it's exam week, so I'm kind of closing out, finishing some of the stuff I need to, and that's it, guys. So I'm Tristan. Thank you all, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video coming on. Should be on Tuesday. See y'all then. Peace.